Hi guys, welcome to the Saving Money Show. Me, your host Sean. Well, we will be talking about Workhorse, but to start with, we're going to go to a few other tidbits. First of all, unless you didn't know, why Peloton has gone up so high. Those of you who have been with me from the beginning will remember I started recommending Peloton at $30 a share and then at $70 a share. Got some flack when Jeremy shorted the share. I bet you he's not too happy now. If you don't know who Freetrade are, now I think this is an amazing deal for Peloton, because Peloton's main stumbling block has been they couldn't get the bikes out and the treadmills out to people fast enough, which, as I said before, is a good problem to have. Now, Freetrade is in most of the main gyms around the world. Planet Fitness has a lot of Freetrade items in there. Now, it also has 650 square feet of manufacturing space. So paying this for the real estate on its own, it was worth it. But this is going to catapult Peloton, and this is why it has jumped. Now, if you've made over 100%, I suggest trimming half of it, but that is up to you, just to limit if it comes down. But it's as I said, this is a company that won't go away even after the vaccine. If people have got it, people have got used to doing this at home. They realise it's cheaper than going to the gym. They realise they save time by not having to go to the gym, come back again. They don't have to buy designer gym gear. They can just do it in an old shirt and shorts. And hi guys, little plug here. Don't forget to hit that lovely like button and smash that sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, trust me, ask the wife. Don't forget to comment in the box below. If you're looking for a free trading platform which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. Freetrade are doing a promotion at the moment where if you sign up before the end of the year, you'll be entered into a free draw for what they call a stock hamper, where you can earn a Shopify, a Nike and a load of other stocks. So why not? Doesn't cost anything. Just click the link, deposit £100, £100 and start investing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Now, I was asked about crypto funds, and I am looking into it, so I thought I came across a couple and I thought I would put them into the this is not a crypto fund. This is a magic mushroom company which has made an acquisition of a pill compressor company, but so that it can like sort out its manufacturing. But this is block 30, is doing an exchange traded index, which deals with digital assets. And I'm still looking into it. This isn't a recommendation because I still have more to look into it, but this is just what I call initial call initial looking. And another one, BITW, has a low float, but watch for the net asset value premium. I couldn't market watch. As I said, I haven't looked into them enough, but I was asked, so these are the ones I come out with at short term. And I will go across. Also, I was asked about MJ. This is a different MJ stock because everyone's going for the same sort of stock. Now, VS at YM, they're the only C sativa seed adapted to Colombia. Now, they're having a meeting with Catholic University president for their mutually developed roof tiles, which have passed resistance test. Now, I don't have those results, but it might be worth, again, is something that's worth looking into. Now, we get on the Workhorse. Okay. You see there. Proposal makes clear that the $10 billion of aid is initially earmarked for USPS in the Kcac would not require repayment. Some rumours going around that, now the $10 billion that was initially going to be for USPS contract isn't there anymore. It's because they've changed it so that the aid initially earmarked is no longer there, because the initial $10 billion would have to be repaid. So instead there's a different $10 billion under a different name, because you know with a government everything has to have its own number, its own name, and if they change something then they have to change that, or each one of those. And so they've pulled the other one and they've put in a new one. That's what I like to see, workhorse bulls chasing a bear, and this is what they look like. Now this is the original one, what it looked like. Postal Service may borrow money from the Treasury in an amount not to exceed $10 billion. And this is the updated. No repayment required. Now, we know the Ford CEO was to retire, but the Ford's top manufacturing executive, who was one of its top lobbyists in Washington, has decided to retire just after Trump left. I don't know if you saw Elon Musk's tweet and the response. But anyway, this is, as I said before, the Workhorse chassis. And we move on to, sorry about this. Investor Place says, with or without a postal service deal, Workhorse is worth watching. Now, it seems that people who are waiting for it to go below $20 are out of luck, because it seems like $20 is the new level of support. Now, so making higher lows, which is a good thing. And we have these from Barron's. Lordstown Motors stock rises because demand is hot. Don't know if you heard, but they reckon between 80 and 140,000 reservations with Lordstown Motors today, and Workhorse owns 10% of that, and they get 1% of the order of the first so many 100,000. And sorry if I'm going over some old stuff. You'll see here about the Kcac, and this is why I wasn't worried about it being delayed, because the fact is, if it is delayed and they don't have to repay it, they're more likely to go into give more of the contract to the company like Workhorse. Now, I don't know if you saw the New York Times article calling them the Tsla of delivery vans. Now, I do think all of these together has helped run it up, but the icing on the cake is yet to come. United States Postal Service drone, RFI. United States Postal Service is investigating the feasibility of utilising unmanned aircraft system or drones as delivery vehicles for mail. Now, what company in the running has drones? Yeah, there's only one that I know of. Anyway, as well as that, I'm sure you guys have noticed the run up in the SG blocks. I hope you, unless you're in it long term, then you'll have seen a bit of a reversal. But if you're in it long term, that won't bother you. As well as that, we've had run ups in ABML of 150%, and look at a clean spark. Now, that's up over 70% from when I got in. I didn't get in as early as some people, but and my Dropbox, I told you guys at $18, and I think it's gonna have some profit taking here. So it's up to you if you want to, you know, sell some, limit your loss. But me, I'm staying in. Now, my Fubu TV that I said about is up 121%. I sold out. I kept two, as I said the other day, I kept 2 shares, but despite Total Chef coming down a bit, it's still up, and I hope you all had a green day. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, stay safe, stay savvy, stay investing.